Hello students, welcome to IBPS Guide. Today we will discuss fill-ups, that is the triple fillers of SBI PO examination. That is triple fillers means we will get one sentence and this sentence has three gaps. Last session we do that double fillers, and today we will discuss triple fillers. So let's move to question number 1. At first we have to read the direction and then we'll do the question. Direction 1 to 10, fill in the blanks in such a way that the option should fulfill all the three blanks. That's mean one sentence, and these sentence has three blanks and we have to fill these three blanks. Our first sentence is allegorical poems are written in a form of dash and answers. A pilgrim is asking question about a journey he is making and the dash he wishes to reach. The answers often come from a dash source. Allegorical poems are written in a form of dash and answer. It is very clear to us, dash and answer, that's mean definitely it will be question and answer. So our option is questions. First option questions, second option questionnaire, third option quest, fourth option repetition, and fifth option questionable. So these all are the wrong option, but first will be the correct option, because allegorical poems are written in a form of questions and answers. A pilgrim is asking questions about a journey he is making and the destination he wishes to reach, and the answer often come from a divine source. Actually, this sentence is talking about allegorical poems which are about basically about questions and answer, and the destination to be reached in this question, which is we can say that responded by the divine power. So that's why answer will be first, option A will be the correct option, because questions and answer, destination and wishes to reach, and answers often come from a divine source. So answer will be first. Question number 2. From the viewpoint of the dash of his subject, I must say that he has maintained dash which is outcome of the observation of his dash system. From the view of the point, from the viewpoint of the dash of his subject, I must say that he has maintained dash which is outcome of his observation of his dash system. Our first option is tone, balance, biological. Second option, treatment, objectivity, education. Third option, content, optimism, value. Fourth option, trait, objectified, educate. And fifth option, matter, subjectivity and nervous. So which can be the correct form? From the viewpoint of the, if we say tone of his subject, I must say that he has maintained balance with the outcome of his observation and his biological system. Guys, if you read the sentence thoroughly, you can easily understand that if we put the first option, it will be not correctly appropriate. It will not correctly appropriate, because from the viewpoint of the dash of his subject, so टोन ऑफ दिस ऑफ हिज सब्जेक्ट का जो टोन है ना, टोन नहीं होता है सब्जेक्ट टोन पर्टिकुलर किसी वी कैन से दैट आर्टिकल, इट कैन बी इट हैज सम टोन, या कोई ऐसे इट हैज सम टोन, बट ऑफ हिज सब्जेक्ट, if there is a subject, so it will be not definitely not applicable for tone. So A option will not the correct option. But if we take treatment, objectivity, from the viewpoint of the treatment of his subject, I must say that he has maintained objectivity which is outcome of his observation of his education system. So subject is related with education, that therefore maintenance, he has maintained objectivity which is outcome of his observation. So D may be right. Third option, content and optimism. From the viewpoint of the content of his subject, though it will be all right, but I must say that he has maintained optimism which is outcome of observation of his value system. Though there may no any value system, and that is not any optimism. So if content will be right, but optimism and education, optimism and value will be not the right option. Fourth option absolutely wrong, because trait of his subject, Never say that. And matter of his subject, agar if we take the fifth option, but second option is subjectivity. He has maintained subjectivity, which is outcome. So here not a subjectivity, it is the object, because from the viewpoint of the treatment of his subject, I must say that he has maintained objectivity, which is the outcome of his education system. So therefore our answer will be B, that is treatment, objectivity and education. Question number 3rd. Dash should cover all useful fields of equipment. Dash should cover all useful fields of equipment. There should be no dash in time and should not contain educational tools which are futile and dash. So first option we get study, second option educational, third option education, fourth option teaching and fifth option methods. To which can be the correct option? Guys, I hope it is clear to you. Study should overall useful fields of equipment, it will be not correct option. Educational, it will be also not correct option, but we take education. Education should overall useful fields of equipment. There should be no limitations in time and should not contain educational tools which are futile and erroneous. So definite option will be third, that is education, limitation and erroneous. I hope it is clear to you. This is there we don't have need to apply any tricks, just we have to know understanding ability and logical thinking. You just think about logically which can be the correct option, because educational teaching should cover all useful fields of equipment, where it is use this word equipment, so definitely teachings will not the correct option. So at first we have to go through the logically, then we put the word. So other option do not make any sense, also they are grammatically incorrect. So here the sentence is describing about education system and its tools, and therefore option C is the best fit. Option C will be our answer. Let's move to question number 4. Nothing is more dash than the lives of those who love and dash, but what's more interesting to know is about their hopes and fears dash thoughts and feelings. So nothing is more. First option attracted, second option attractive, third option attraction, fourth option engaging and fifth option discouraging. Nothing is more dash the lives of those who love. So whether it is love, and love is positive word, so therefore it will be not discouraging, definitely attractive. So nothing is more attractive than the lives of those we love and admire. But what's more interesting to know is about their hopes and fears and habits, thoughts and feelings. So but what's more interesting to know is about their hopes and fears, habit, thoughts and feelings. So it is easily located that answer will be B, that is attractive, admire and habit. Admire and admirable, there is a big differentiation. Admire is noun but admirable is adjective. So the answer will be B. And the most important thing, the sentence is talking about our attraction towards people we love and how we are curious to know more about their habits, feelings. Therefore option B is the correct answer. Let's move to question number 5th. The man said, I will fight him on dash, and not on a personal level. It is important that I win the love and not dash. I tell my men who behave in a proper manner and not use harsh words, but when things go dash to hand, I have to take an action. Okay. The man said, I will fight him on. First option, battleground. Second option, ground. Third option, personalized. Fourth option, issues. And fifth option, problems. The man said, I will fight him on. Personalized, not possible. Ground, it will be also not possible, because here is not on personal life. So that will be, I will fight him on issues and not a personal level. So issue means, issue here is, there is a topic of discussion. The man said, I will fight him on issues and not on personal level. It is important that I win the love and not hatred. I tell my men to behave in a proper manner and not use harsh words, but when things go go out of hand, I have to take action. So issue, hatred and out. It is a very clear option, that will be answer D. I will fight him on issues, because the man is talking about dealing with issues and winning people's faith with love, and out of hand is a phrase is we commonly use to describe using things beyond control, that is out of hand. Whenever, when the situation become out of control, so then we can say it's out of hand, it is out of hand. And therefore option D is the best and only fit. Option will be D. Question number 6. For a city dweller who has not been out in the dash ever, it is an extremely dash experience to roam about in the fields and meadows under clear blue skies, having roamed there for a long time now, and he did not feel dash. For a city dweller, those who are living in city, for a city dweller who has not been out in the, first option streets, second option suburbs, third option sun, fourth option countryside, and fifth option country. So which can be the correct option? For a city dweller who has not been out in the countryside ever. Countryside means village area. Those who are live in city, who has not been out in the out in countryside ever, it is an extremely pleasant experience to roam about in the fields and meadows under clear blue sky. Having roamed there for a long time now, we did not feel tired. He did not feel tired means क्या है? जो people, जो city dwellers है, जो कभी भी country side means village side में नहीं गए, अगर वो कभी जाए, it is an extremely pleasant ever. ये उनके लिए बहुत pleasant होगा experience to roam about in the fields and meadows under the clear blue sky. Clear blue sky के नीचे वो रह पाएगा. And having roamed there for a long time now, he did not feel tired. Long time अगर roam भी करे, घूमते भी रहे, वो कभी tired feel नहीं करेगा. So that's why answer will be D, that is countryside, pleasant and tired. This is simply the story based triple fillers. Let's move to question number 7th. Who cannot but dash with a poor man when he cries out for food? It is a cry which dash chord, the cry is of dash and insecurity. So first option we get the sympathize, strikes, helplessness, empathize. So who cannot but dash the poor man? Definitely who cannot but सिर्फ और कुछ भी नहीं, सिर्फ dash the poor man when cries out of food. जब poor man cry करते हैं food के लिए, out for food, कौन नहीं करता है? So definitely कौन नहीं करते हैं, क्या नहीं करते? Definitely sympathize. One who cannot but sympathize with the poor man when he cries out for food. It is cry when strikes a chord. The cry is for helplessness and insecurity. So it is very clear options. Answer will be first, because sympathize, strikes and helplessness. Other options are that is empathize, that is hostile. It will be not correct option, because we have some sympathy. Definitely we have sympathy with the poor man who cries out for their food. So it will be always sympathize. So our answer will be first. Let's move to question number 8. The Prime Minister is dash up issues on terror attack, on hide his government's failure on economic front, employment generation and dash distress in the countries. Abdullah told reporters after an election rally in the militant infested dash. The Prime Minister is dash up. Definitely collect up, not possible. Raking up, not possible. Racking up, collect. The Prime Minister is racking up issues on terror attacks to hide his government's failure on economic front, employment generation and agrarian distress in the country. Agrarian distress in country. Agrarian means that is agricultural distress in the country. Abdullah told reporters after an elections rally in the militant infested then constituency. So option is very clear. Our answer will be B. These are not so difficult, guys. If you try this, you can do easily and you get 5 marks and score 5 marks from banking examination. It's not so tough. It is very easy and options is also very easy, and these all are the known word. And if you and if any word is unknown to you, you just go through the line, you just try to understand the meaning and then put the word. So then it will be not so much tough. Let's move to question number 9. The former partner was also a co-owner who acquired dash assets when the UPA government was in power. The media claimed that he had a large dash of stake in the company and he signed a contract with the firm of critical parts of the missile and dash. The former partner was also a co-owner of acquired. First option defend, second option define, third option defense and fourth option interdependence, fifth option present. So it is very clear to us the former partner was also a co-owner who acquired. Which thing he can be acquired? Definitely defense assets when UPA government was in power. जब UPA government power में था, former partner was also co-owner who acquired defense assets when UPA government was in power. The media claimed that he had a large percentage to stake in the company. And he signed a contract with a firm of critical parts of missile and submarine. That is a very common information and common current affairs. So our answer will be defense, percentage and submarine. So that's why answer will be C. So here it is our answer. Answer will be C. Defense, percentage and submarine. Let's move to question number 10. The dash socio-economic problem is the problem of the haves and have-nots and also those who belong in between. Haves means those who are the rich person and have-nots those who are very poor people. The dash socio-economic problem is the problem of the haves and the have-nots and also those who belong in between, जो दोनों के बीच में ही रहते हैं. The author therefore equates between the ideal rich and those who do not have anything to lose. कुछ ideal rich और कुछ person जो कुछ खोने के लिए है नहीं जिसके पास. Both the classes belong to extreme of society, to extreme dash of society, and his argument on this have dash the taste of time. So which can be the correct option? First option temporary. Temporary तो definitely wrong option because socio-economical problem is a problem of haves and haves not. Have and have nots का problem जो है that is not a temporary problem. That is definitely perennial problem, means there is a long time of problem. So the perennial socio-economic problem is the problem that haves and the have-nots are also those who belong in between. The author therefore equates between the ideal rich and those who do not have anything to lose. Both the classes belong to extreme strata of the society. Strata means there is a level of society. And his argument on this have withstood the test of time. So it is very, very clear. Answer will be B. because other options are grammatically wrong also, grammatically incorrect option also. So that's why our answer will be perennial. So these 10 questions are based on triple fillers. So my dear students, I hope you can understand it very clearly, and this is very simple sentences also, simple questions also, but whenever we start from beginning we start always through the easy question, then step by step after medium and then higher level. But it is just you need practice and you need understanding ability. So these are 10 questions for today. Tomorrow again I will come to you and bring some different type of 10 questions for SBI PO preliminary exam. Until then, just do it, practice and keep on practice and stay with us, because after some times we will discuss your all doubts, and definitely I try to give your all answer wherever you have some doubts and wherever you have some confusion. I will discuss it and I will explain with it. Till then, goodbye, have a nice day, and most important thing, you have to just practice. At first you have to do single fillers, then you will do double fillers, and then you will do triple fillers. So thank you, goodbye, have a nice day.